Hello everyone, my name is John Grace Chidima and I got to hear about the Inegben GRC program through X. Somebody actually reposted it on their timeline, so I saw it and I applied, and that has been the best decision of my life. And honestly, joining the program has been very valuable experience for me. Since joining the program, I've gained a solid understanding of governance, risk and compliance, especially in areas relating to cybersecurity, risk management, compliance processes, documentation, and organizational security practices. And one of the major frameworks that I've learned so far is the ISO 27001. And through the training, I've also been able to understand concepts like information security management systems, risk assessment and treatment, security controls, policies and procedures, compliance requirements, and how organizations implement security best practices to protect sensitive information. The live sections has been very impactful because they were interactive, they were practical, they were easy to follow, especially the AI prompts that we learned. Very eye-opening class for me, and I appreciate the fact that complex topics were broken down in a way that made learning easier, and especially for people that are transitioning into tech and cybersecurity. Another thing I personally appreciated was the hands-on approach and encouragement to actually think like a GRC professional or practitioner rather than just memorizing concepts. And the assignments, discussions, and examples has helped me to gain ground, like build more confidence in my understanding of the field. Overall, my experience with the Inegben GRC program has been a positive one, and I would definitely recommend this course to anyone interested in breaking into cybersecurity or risk management or third-party risk management, all of that, compliance, auditing, or governance, whether you're a beginner or someone that's trying to improve your existing skills or knowledge. I believe that the program gives you a good foundation and practical exposure that you will need to move further. Lastly, I want to appreciate the organizers, Stanley and Co, and instructors for the effort they put into the training and the support given through the learning and the learning processes. Yes. So yeah, thank you so much, and please apply for the next cohort that is coming. Okay.